So this is a little video that I've made for MYP1 to explain the summative task that I've called Edumacation, and it's inspired by Homer Simpson. It's the sort of thing he might say to describe education, but it's supposed to be a little bit simple because it's describing a simple concept about fractions. So I raided the Lego box and I made this 12 Lego bricks representing one whole, but then I found some more bricks and 6 Lego bricks each representing two halves, and the two halves together make one whole. I also did 3/3 that together make one whole, and 6/6. So they're all 12 bricks. They're all the same thing. They all make up to one whole, but you can look at them in different ways, and then take these for example, and you can see that 2/6 is the same as 1/3, and that might lead you to understanding how to write it in a more formal way. So 2/6, if you want to simplify the fraction, you can divide it by 2/2 to make 1/3. So that's how you'd write that formally, but the Lego bricks help you to see visually that 2/6 is the same as 1/3 or whatever. So I took as many bricks as I could find, and I made, as I said, the one whole, the two halves, the 3/3, the 6/6. So I chose 12 bricks for the original thing because 12 divides nicely up in lots of ways. I could have made 4/4, but I couldn't quite find enough bricks for that, but no reason why I couldn't have done that. So I had a look online and I found this sort of thing is commercially available and sells for quite a lot of money, $28.02 in this case. So this one's called Fraction Strips. Let's just click on it if I can do that. And it's pretty much the same thing. These are made out of foam. They've divided the one up into more different kinds of fractions. So you've got halves, thirds, quarters, but in each case, each color-coded strip is the same length as the whole one, whether it's 12/12 or 6/6 or whatever. With a bit more googling, I found these, which is the same sort of idea, but the one is a full circle, and you can split the full circle up in different ways. So the idea of the summative is for you to make something like this out of whatever you can find, really. Don't have to spend a whole load of money on Lego. I mean, don't use Lego because then you'll just be copying my idea unless you can find a dramatically different way to approach it. But bits of card, whatever you can find around the house, not expensive, make an educational toy that teaches fractions.